Here's how to perform a dumbbell RDL. All right, so your starting position for the dumbbell RDL, you want your feet to pretty much be right under your hips. You want your toes to be facing forward. And from this position, you want your hands, they can be out in front or they can be slightly out to the side. It's totally up to you what you're comfortable with. All right, so I'm making sure that my knees are loose. They're not bent to start with and they're not completely locked out to begin with. They're loose. And then from this position, we're gonna perform our downward motion. So from this position, I shoot my hips back. My knees or my shins pretty much stay perpendicular to the ground, and I'm going as low as I possibly can, keeping the dumbbells close to my body. And then from this position, I'm driving back up, squeezing my glutes and squeezing my quads at the top of this movement. I'm not arching or extending through my lower back to finish the movement because that puts more stress and strain on the lower back and you're getting less glute activation from this movement, okay? Again, I lower into my torso is parallel with the ground. Shins are still about perpendicular to the ground. I keep the dumbbells close. I squeeze my glutes to come up, and that is the finish of the movement. And that's how you perform a dumbbell RDL. See you in the next video.